here we are. We are getting ready to leave. Trisha's finishing up, showering. I think I have everything packed. Just went through and double checked everything. Mom and them are grabbing the rest of their stuff, and then we're getting ready to go. We are cruising today. We're going out of Baltimore, so we're going to drive there. I was told it's like a super nice small port, so it'll be easy to navigate and stuff. But we are getting ready to go. We are going to be going with Royal Caribbean again. We are doing, I think we're going to be on Grandeur of the Seas. We're going to stop at Nassau. We're going to stop at Coco Cay. We're going to do, on the way back, stop in Orlando and then Charleston, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, we'll see you then. Good morning, Baltimore! So, we are here in Baltimore. We just, you could have made a right to go into the port, or you can make a left. We made a left, came up this way. We stopped, we're here at BP. We're gonna fill up, get some gas. So that way, once we get off of the ship later, then we do not have to worry about trying to get gas to get out of here. So, I'm so excited. We saw the ship on the way through. I'll have to, I took a picture of it, but that's all I did because we didn't see the whole thing yet. But yeah, so we're stopping. We're gonna get gas, and then you literally can make a left right out of here and go straight back, and you will get back to where the port is. Looks pretty small, like it's gonna be easy to get into. So let's look and see. So it wasn't $15 a day.
Huh?
It could have been. They must only count the 8 days. They don't count the day you leave.
Right.
So for the 9 days, it is $120.
You guys are going to just keep straight.
So the time is now 2:27. So it took 2 hours, which took forever. It was very unorganized, but we finally got our stuff and are walking to the ship now. We're supposed to leave at 4. I doubt that's gonna happen because there's still like a ton of people that haven't went through the process yet. But here we go. Alright, there we go. We are 2619.
Get some of this out of the hole. Somebody already got in here, is that it? So, but is it
Alright, so this is coming in. Your bathroom. Coming through. We have yikes. Closet space, a hanger, storage on the side. We have a vanity. Alright, there's the vanity. Hi. Just some of the paperwork for us. TV, more storage. I'm assuming this is the safe. Our 2 beds, which are already split apart, which is wonderful. Yeah, because that's how we wanted it. A nice little bench area, a little table. Trisha shoving all her luggage in. And coming in here will be the bathroom. It's the commode, the sink and some more storage. And then in here is the shower, which actually looks like an okay sized shower. Sweet. All right, so we are going to go get lunch after we bring the rest of our stuff in the room. So, bye. So we came to the solarium to eat because there's nobody here. And the mustard roll is in like a half an hour. And there's no way you're going to be able to find a place to sit, let alone eat. Up in the Windsor Inn right now. And coming over, they also have different wraps today, dessert salads. And here's their 2 soups. We were walking around and it's freezing outside. We found here, blowing off heat from the engine. It is the only warm place out here right now. It feels very nice though. But here's Baltimore. It is about 5 o'clock now. Literally just took off a few minutes ago. And our dinner reservation's for 5:30. So we're probably just gonna get ready and head down and go get some dinner. See you then. Coming in to eat dinner tonight at the Great Gatsby. There's Trisha, Mom, and now Dad getting ready to go eat. This is the Great Gatsby. I'll show it to you guys later as well. What'd you order?
Chicken macaroni.
Yum. What appetizer did you get? I got that too. What'd you get?
I got French onion soup, the slow, what is it?
Oh, the prime rib.
And chicken breast. And I got the cheesecake for dessert.
I got the same exact thing, except I didn't get cheesecake. I got the creme brulee because I love it. The French onion soup was amazing. It tasted wonderful on this ship. And then we had, what did I get? Oh, the I can't even remember. I just ate it. The chicken with the thyme au jus was okay. The au jus was very strong, but the chicken tasted great. It was well done. Perfect. And then the prime rib was good. The sauce that they had on it was amazing. And then the creme brulee was, of course, awesome. I loved it. This place is booming. It is packed. We are close. Tell me, what did you think about dinner?
Dinner was fantastic.
What was your favorite thing?
I would say my favorite thing would have been the slow roasted prime rib. It was very good.
It was good.
Enjoyed the sauce on it.
I agree. So we went and saw the farewell show, and now we're gonna go see a game show. Not farewell. We went and saw the welcome aboard show, and they had a guy do comedy, and he was very funny. And then they did this really cool juggling to a song. It was really cool. And then they did like a song and dance. We're now gonna go downstairs, and we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna go watch them play a game, and then we are going to probably just call it a night and get some sleep because we're tired. Nachos, hot dogs, hamburgers. else is in that desserts? I wonder.